Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a ring out of resin. Hey guys, it's Mikaylee and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a resin ring. So first, what you're going to need to make the resin rings, you're going to need epoxy resin or UV resin. So in front of me, I have two different kinds of UV resin that I've tried out and I really like both. I also have epoxy resin. So epoxy resin, you have part A and part B or multiple parts depending on the resin and the type that you have. Next, what you're going to need a heat gun or something to get the bubbles out. If you're using UV resin just like me, you're going to need a UV light. Toilet paper.
What did he say?
Also use paper towels and 91% alcohol. Cool, I did my intro. So now we're going to be pouring our UV resin into our molds. Do you guys see this bubble right here? We're going to go ahead and pop that. You can also pop it with your heat gun. Going to finish by topping it with some more UV resin. Now we can clean around the sides with a Q-tip and some alcohol. Now we're going to let it cure under the UV light. I like to let it cure for 4 to 6 minutes on each side. So now you're going to do the same process that you did for the last rings for these rings. And there you have it. Now you have your finished product, and now you can either wear it or give it to friends or even sell it on your Etsy shop just like me. And I hope you guys learned something in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to be the end of my video. We just made multiple resin rings. You can add any design and anything, you know, significant that you guys want to put into these pieces. You can make them personal. These ones are linked down in my Etsy shop, and I just hope you guys really like this video, and there's going to be so many more videos where that came from. So thank you guys for supporting me yet again. My links are going to be down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.